I think to myself, what a wonderful.
Happy New Year, everyone. I am so excited to start this new year with you. I am so happy you're a part of my YouTube family, and we are going to have a lot of fun this year. I have a lot of DIYs that I'm going to be doing this year for different occasions, make different things that you can give to people for gifts. We are going to have home tours. I'm going to cook. We're going to have a blast. So I just wanted to come on and let you know a little bit of what's going to be happening on my channel. I want to thank you again for subscribing, being a part of my YouTube family, and I wish you the best, the happiest, the most prosperous 2018. Be talking to you soon, guys. Don't forget, the world's a better place because you're in it.
What a wonderful world.